Now that your hydroseeder is all clean, you've got all the material out of the tank, it's time for some of the general maintenance that you need to perform. First, you want to grease your agitator bearings, both front and rear, on a daily basis. That's here and on the front of the tank. Next, you want to fill your pump auto lubricator to ensure you have plenty of grease for the next time you go operate the unit. You want to check your engine oil, make sure it's full and not low. Consult your engine manual for proper oil change intervals. Next, you want to grease your boom discharge swivels, both here and here. Last thing you want to check on a daily interval is your hydraulic fluid level. There's a sight gauge in the tank, so if you can see fluid in this sight gauge, your tank is properly filled and you have enough oil for proper machine operation. Now we'll go over the weekly maintenance that you need to perform on your hydroseeder. First, you need to grease your pump bearings here and here. Check your air cleaner to make sure it's clean. And as we talked, you want to perform your daily maintenance. Agitator bearings, your automatic lubricator, check your engine oil level, your boom swivels, and your hydraulic fluid. That wraps up the daily and weekly maintenance items on the T60 and T75 hydroseeders. Following the recommended maintenance will keep your equipment in top shape for years to come. And remember, it's much cheaper to maintain it than repair it. And to stay up to date on all Finn videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.